Hey, what's up guys? So now we're gonna use this Q7 R to separate, this is S8, so we're gonna separate S8 to teach you guys how to use this freezer. So now first we're gonna test this screen. This is with the spot on it. Because we have, today we have done all the screens here, so we don't have more screens for this. That's why we use this practice screen. But normally when it has like spots on it, it's very easy. It will get bigger. So this is very easy to get bigger. But tomorrow when we have more screens, we're gonna use some good screen, 100% working screen without any spots on it to show you guys how to use it. So we're gonna close the gate, gonna wait for like 3 minutes probably. It's around 3 minutes. So what are we gonna do during the 3 minutes? Actually, I have explained to you guys the difference between this Q7 and Q7 R and the Q7 Pro. Both of the machine 6 from I have experienced like 6 differences of the two machines, and also some other 3 something common, 3 things in common. So I have already explained to you guys the difference. So I'm gonna put also the link of this video below on this description below the video to let you guys see the difference between the two machines. Because we have been selling Q7 Pro and Q7 R. Those are 2 models we're selling now. So I think you guys probably have a lot of questions about those 2 machines. So still we have to wait for another 2 minutes. So I will explain to you guys a little bit about the how you guys call this, the warranty of this machine. Just want to repeat it so that you guys know what kind of warranty we give you guys. Both machine Q7 Pro and Q7 R will give you warranty. We are saying with warranty because we know if the compressor is broken, it's getting burned, so you cannot fix it in your country. So this is very important to buy a freezer with warranty. So the other machines will give you warranty, like laminator or the other bubble mover, because we know if anything happens, we can send you parts, so it's getting easy to fix it. Only this machine, because compressor until now we'll be selling all the 600 pieces till now. Nobody at this moment has fixed the compressor. So that's why, like maybe some of you guys in front of the screen, our followers, you can fix it, but we don't. It's not, at least until now, I haven't seen it. So we suggest you guys buy this with warranty. So if the compressor is broken, or is there the coolant is out, so we give you a new one. So firstly, we have to do a video check to see our technician have to cooperate with us. We have to check every part of this compressor to see if the compressor is really broken. If we cannot agree each other, so we pay third party SGS to check it if the compressor is broken. If this is broken, we offer you a new one. So for all the details, we can give you we're gonna make my wife to explain to you guys the difference between those two about our warranty part. Let's see, testing with the motherboard. check the temperature. It doesn't, it's very good. The temperature, the temperature maintains very good. This machine is perfect. Same, check. We haven't changed the screens. The same screen works perfect. Okay, it's perfect. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. So click the bell, the notification button. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.